安平众和
a leading manufacturer of ring metal mesh. Zhonghe Ring Mesh Manufacturer is located in Anping County, Hebei Province, China. We are a leading company in production of various ring metal mesh. We have over 20,000 square meters space, 100 latest laser welding machines, 25 researchers in lab, and 200 skilled workers. After nearly 20 years of development, each metal ring is precisely calculated and forged. We ensure to deliver the best quality product to our client. Ring mesh can be made into cut resistance gloves, clothing as safeguard gear. Mostly used in slaughtering industry, catering, and film costumes. Ring mesh can also be used as decorative materials, like space partition in hotels, restaurants, and luxury shopping malls. It can also be used as office building facade decoration, with lighting effects in the night. Ring mesh transforms into a visible light curtain made the building. As architectural landmark, the architecture ring mesh can be customized in color and ring size to meet different needs. Ring mesh could also be used as a kitchen cleaning tool. It is durable and eco-friendly. This is an ideal tool for cast iron cookware and BBQ equipment. We strive for excellence in details and strictly control the quality of our products. Each ring is manually tested and all data meets the industry standard. Our technical team, with the spirit of innovation and craftsmanship, continues to break through the limits. Our products are sold well all over the world and have gained the recognition of customers from different countries. Our products have passed the CE, LFGB, FDA, and many other tests and utility model patent certificates. No matter when and where, our service team is always on standby to ensure that our customers' needs are quickly responded to.
安平众和
Hand in hand with you to create a better future.